This is a ritual we engage every year at this time to bake bread from our heritage and share it with one another in worship. And it is in this act of giving, deeply of ourselves, from our own histories, that we are sustained as individuals in the act of generosity, and brought closer together as a community. This year we baked and we gave, in the same way as always, but this year we embraced a wider expression of community, baking for the guests of the Montclair Emergency Services for the Homeless.
And did y'all fill out these cards? There are ways to introduce your bread. This is amazing. You're not just a box on a Zoom screen.
So this is Dave.
Oh my goodness gracious.
And then this is my heritage cornbread.
Oh, beautiful.
Hi. I brought some pumpkin banana bread.
Hi guys. Hello.
Hey, wonderful to see you.
Focaccia bread.
Oh.
I know.
The words we say together before we eat a meal are called a grace. To share our table with others in love is an act of generosity that invites an experience of grace, a bounty that goes far beyond the sustenance of bread and water. This year, may we be fed by the grace that knows that the table of love is boundless.
Grace, that we have been given something we don't deserve, something unmerited and awesome.
Grace, that we are held by something larger than ourselves and given the opportunity to be in relationship to it.
Grace, that when we give, we receive in abundance.
Grace, the feeling that comes over us when we sense a connection.
Grace, the answer to the question we didn't know we had asked.
'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved.
Through many dangers, toils, and snares we have already come.
'Twas grace hath brought us safe thus far, and grace will lead us home.
Through many dangers, toils, and snares, we have already come. Participating in this harvest of generosity and grace will surely lead us home. It is in acts of giving, deeply of ourselves, from our own histories, our own heritage, our own stories and truth, that we are sustained.
This year we decided to bake bread from our heritage and make it a contribution for the community at large. And so all of these breads speak to the person's heritage who baked it. So it comes from the
Homemade bread.
Number 6.
Irish soda bread.
Irish soda bread.
Cool.
Yeah, here we go.